So we got Canon here, and it's making some funny noise. So we're gonna open it and have a look inside what's going on. Okay, I'm gonna strip the plastics off and I'm gonna be back. So to remove the plastic, we got 4 bolts here, and 1 bolt here, another one other side, and then over here, and then should be loose for the cover off and see inside. Okay, so that's the rubber cover, and as we can see, the belt is fucked. It's like what is left from the belt, we can call the belt. So yeah, so we're gonna clean the clutch and the pulley. So just undo the bolts and they're coming off. So that's the clutch. Oops, lost some bit. Okay. So that's clean because nothing there. So leave this here. That's the belt also. After all that, all the bits missing. Nice and awesome. Alright, got another end. So the spring, plastic bit and the start. It's funny system. Yeah, and this bit I split in half. Clean it inside. It's one part, it's another part. And see this worn on here. It's interesting because the plastics are worn. You can replace them, but I haven't got one, and you can see there's been brushing on here. Okay. Seventeen. Okay. So yeah, that's about this video. I'm gonna wait for the belt. I'm gonna install everything back. Alright, thanks for watching.